Very good morning. Again, we are here with our 47th lecture. Here, my topic is the reading writing. Each and every examination, especially for the class 8, 9 and the 10. The letter writing is the important one. In my previous classes, I already taught you about the formal letter or official letter or departmental letter. Here, today, we will discuss about first application and second we will discuss about the specimen of the informal letter. Here, one thing always keep in your memory, the letter writing is basically a art. Lesson writing is basically a art. But the basic thing should not be changed. So keep always the left alignment. Here I am starting with the application. Left alignment. You must watch, you see the left alignment completely going straight. Here the first thing that comes the date. The 5th August 2020. The date is. After date we are simply coming here with the receiver address to whom I am writing an application. I am writing an application to the principal of which school, that is SNJ school. Then after you can write the address. Then after come the first S, that is called subject. For what? For leave. Yeah, whatever your need may be. Then after comes the salutation. For the principal the salutation is, most ever salutation is the honorable sir. Then after comes body. B for body. And C for finally the. So if you will keep this formula in the mind, DRS2BC, DRS2BC in your mind, you will be right and the confident 100% to draft a application to anywhere across the world. Here I am again recapping and rediscussing about the application. The formula is DRS2BC. D stands for the date I have written. The style in this fashion. Then after R comes to whom you are writing a letter, that is the principal SNJ school, Motihari, whatever. Then after salutation comes, then after subject comes. But as per your question, you will write the subject. Then after comes salutation, the most above salutation for the principal, especially for the application, that is honorable sir. And then after comes the body. What will be your text matter, for why you are applying the application you are giving. And then after finally comes the closing. Your faithfully Ajay. And then after, never forget about giving, because Ajay never be a similar student in your school. It may be of the different class, it may be of the 8th, it may be of the 5th, it may be of the 9th, it may be of the 10th. So to find the real exit, you must find out there the wrong number and the section is also there. In this manner, you will be in position, very good position, with confidence to write down the application. So I finished the application. In my last class, I gave you one more formula, SDRS2BC. Here S for sender's address. It is not wise to give the sender's address in the application. One should not give the sender address in the application. But the departmental letter or in the official letter, the formula is the different one. That is the SDRS2BC. That is the formula of the formal letter. But when you will be slash out the S, the formula will be like this, DRS2BC. Here, the application specimen of the application. Now I am shifting here the specimen informal letter. Here, the formula is the DSBC, where D is for the date, S is for salutation, B is for the body, and the C is for the closing. So the formula is very simple, DSBC. One thing very clear in your mind, especially in the informal letter, your length, your body of the letter may be more and more. No, it should not be not like at the formal or the official letter, because in the formal letter or in the official letter, you have to write very pinpointed, very pertinent, to the point, no unwanted matter. But here, you can write some unwanted matter about the cricket, about the coronavirus, about the welfare, about the democracy, about your uncle home, about your future planning, you can write it. And again, formula is DSBC, D for day, S related for salutation, and the B for the body, and the C for the clothing. Here, the specimen for the informal letter is the DSBC, and the application for the DRSBC, and for the formal letter SDRS2BC. Here, especially in the reading writing in our session, I have already completed comprehension or passage or paragraph. Then after also I completed the formal letter. Today I completed the informal letter and the application. In the meantime, you must go for the practice and stay in your home, eat much, sleep much, be safe, and study more and more, because this is the opportunity. You will have to remain in the home, and as you know, the book is your best friend. So please stay in the home. In the meantime, take care of you and your family. And this is a lecture for class 8, 9 and 10. So again I am taking a goodbye. Thank you.